और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Commissioner and Secretary Ubakmi Ikatanat Bording, Sanjay Goyal Ulapentip, Baka Shna Yaka, Shispa Laipu RKV substation, kan sedang no Shen Kanang Ban Pentigna, Yaka Pahuh Bording, Haka Ribhoi district Barokaway. Haka Jingkran Bat Kilat Patai Kubor, Haka Arpun Laiterik, Nailar Arjapsan, Goyal Ulaong, Baka Ribhoi district Kamshim Duna Satya Yaka Bording. Henry Kadei Tang Nakadaw ka Jingjrong Shabapalat, transmission line. Ubajanga 10 kilometer kata na umnyam siya nung po.
I mean, shortage will not be, I believe, the right word. Of course, Ribhoi has an issue wherein and it is very well known that the availability of the power in terms of reliable supply sometimes is an issue. And if you talk about Nongpo town itself, Nongpo town is being fed from our Unyam area only. It's a long line of almost 40 kilometers. So there are certain breakdowns in those lines at some point of time. So that is the reason I think all of us are aware that we have sanctioned 132 kV substation, which will lead to a very, very highly reliable power supply in the state, in the district, after a long gap of this problem which is there. And I'm thankful that the department and the Honorable Chief Minister has understood the issue, and we will be soon going to construct this 132 kV substation there.
So the consumers demand much. So what about their bills? Are they clearing it, and what are the pending bills?
So that has always been a challenge with all the distribution companies in the state, in the country, and I think we are no different in this regard. And collection of the energy bills from the consumers always remain a challenge, and we are working out all kinds of issues and possibilities. We have come up with a scheme. We are coming up with a scheme wherein if people are paying regularly through online mode, we are planning to incentivize them. We are we have made our online payments platform available with all kinds of the players in the country, Google Pay, GPay, BillDesk, all kinds of online transactions, they all are available. Still, I believe our collections are not to the extent that we should get. And I will urge upon the consumers that we are a commercial organization, and until we earn at least the energy part of it, it's very difficult to maintain the efficient supply stream, and things are improving. Our collection efficiency has gone up in comparison to the last few years, and I'm sure in the days to come this is further going to improve. As I mentioned, we are not differentiating anything between the urban area or the rural area. The power supply availability for both the areas remain the same, which I mentioned that we are trying to provide 24 hours power supply. As one of our colleagues have mentioned, there would be some disruptions here and there because of the factors which I have already mentioned. Apart from that, I don't feel that there will be any issues. One issue could be, I will tell it that one issue could be that there is a damage to the transformers and all, which we replace. For that 1 or 2 days when this replacement is done, that must be the only reason which I feel that the rural area should not get the power supply.